Dear student, today we are discussing about values and types in Python. Values is the one of the fundamental thing like a word or a number that program can manipulate it. Values are the basic unit of data. Every value belongs to a specific data type in Python. Data type identifies the type of the data values a variable can hold. The built-in data types are integer, float, boolean, string, list, set, and tuples. Integer is a whole number that represent the signed whole numbers. An integer represent the positive and negative numbers. For example, a equal to 10 is a positive integer, b equal to minus 25 is a negative integer. Floating point value is a represent the fractional part. A floating point number has a decimal point and a fractional part. For example, a equal to 6.5. 6 is a decimal part and 0.5 is the fractional part. To view the type of the data, we can use type function. For example, here C is the variable which hold the data value 64. The type of C is integer, that is whole number. Next one is the Boolean variable. Boolean variable can take two special values. First one is true, next one is false. The most common way to produce the Boolean value is with the relational operators. Here the example 34 is greater than 64. We have to check the condition. If the condition is true or false. Here is the condition is false. Next data type is string. A set of character represented in the quotation mark, either a single or double quotation. Sequence of character is called as string. Subset of string can be taken by using the slice operator colon with the index value starting with 0. For example, character is represented by either single or double triple quotation. String can be represented by more than one character within the single or double or triple quotes. For example, hi can be represented by single or double or triple quotation. Next, operator on string. Plus indicate concatenation operation and star asterisk indicates the repetition operation. We can join more than one string using the plus symbol. Horse plus and plus dog, we can get horse and dog. Similarly, we can get the repetition of the string by using the asterisk symbol. Find function to find whether the given character is present in the string or not. For example, A is a string, hello world. If we want to find the W is present in the hello world or not, we have to use a.find. Inside the find function, we have to put the character value W. So, W is present in the index value 6. Next, split function. Split function is used to split the string into two parts. For example, we have to split the hello world into hello and word, separate strings. We can easily split the string by using the split function. Next, slicing. Slicing is nothing but extracting of data or characters from the string. To view a particular character or a string, we can use the slicing operation. For example, we can print the character from 6 to up to index value 12. For example, in hello world, we can print the character from the W to up to the index value 12. So, world is the answer. If you want to access a particular character from the string or extract the particular character from the string, you can use the slicing operation. By using the index value, we can access all the character from the string. Next is the strip. Strip function used to remove a particular character or a particular string from the main string. In hello world, we can remove the HEL characters or HEL string from the hello world. So, we can use strip function to remove that hell from the hello world. Lstrip function used to remove the first character from the string. Using the dot operator, a dot lstrip you can remove the first character H from the hello world. Similarly, you can remove the 4 from the string B 444 hi hello 222. From this, you can remove the 4 from the L strip. If you remove the 4, then you can get the answer hi hello 222. Upper function used to convert the string into uppercase. For example, welcome is in lowercase letters. We can use the upper function d dot upper. By using the dot operator, you can convert the lowercase letter into uppercase letter. Similarly, lower function is used to convert the uppercase letter into lowercase letter. So, using the upper and lower function, you can convert the string from uppercase to lowercase, and similarly lowercase to uppercase. String concatenation. Already we seen that using the plus operator, you can add more than 2 strings. So, concatenation used to add 2 or more string by adding the more than 1 string by using the plus operator. Next one is the list. List is a sequence of value. They can be any type. The values in the list called the elements or items. Always the list elements are enclosed with the square bracket and separated by commas. We can see here D is the list. Here we have more than 5 elements. We have string, integer. If you want to print the element in the list, we can use the index value. We can use positive index value or negative index value. Index value starts from 0. If you want to update the list, you can use the update function. Using the index value, you can update the item or element in the list. For example, L1 is the list which contains integers values. If you want to change the index value 4, here 4 is equal to 14. L1 of 4 equal to 14. We can change the index value 4. So, we want to change, we use the index value. In fourth index value, there is a 15 number is there. If in list 1, index value 4 contains the value is 14. If you want to change that index value to 14, L1 of 4 equal to, we can assign 14. Then the value of 15 can be changed to 14. Delete function used to delete a particular value from the list. Using the index value, we can delete a particular item or element from the list. Delete del command is used. Del L1 of 2. Here we delete the index value 2. In this list, the index value 2 is 12. So, the 12 value item is deleted from the list. Length function used to find the number of element in the list, that is length of the list. We can use the length function to find out the length of the list. It can find the number of elements or number of item in the list. Length of L1 equal to 4. Concatenation. Concatenation used to adding 2 or more list. Here 1, 2, 3 is a one list and 4, 5, 6 are the element of second list. We can add the two lists by using the concatenation operation. Next, append. Append is used to add element at the end of the list. Here L2 is list contain 3 strings. Eat more fruits. If you want to append the string daily, we can use append function. L2 dot append daily. We can add daily item into the end of the list. Now we can get the output as eat more fruits daily. Similarly, we can add more than one list to the end of the other list. By using the append function, you can add one more list to the end of the list. Extend function used to add a list of element at the end of the list. If you want more than if you want to add more than one element or more than one list at the end of the list, you can use extend function to add the end of the list. You can add. If you want to add more than one element or more than one list at the end of the another list, you can use extend functions. For example, L2 is already the existing list. If you want to add one more list which contains the element high and 43, you can use extend function. L2.extend, you can add another one list inside the extend function. Now you can get the output as eat more fruits daily, and another list high and 43 can add at the end of the list. Next, slicing operation. Slicing operation extract the element or item from the list. Using the index value, we can access the element in the list. For example, print list of 2:3 means we can get the item of index value 2 and 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 index value is also 2. So we can get the item with the index value 2, which is 64. Next, print list of 3 means we can get the element from the starting index value 0 to up to 3 minus 1, 2. 0th index value wrong, first index value 54 and second index value 64, which is these are the output we can get. In slicing operation, you can give the starting index value and ending index value. Before the colon, you can give the starting index value. After the colon, you can give the ending index value. Ending index value, it can be calculated by n minus 1 index value can be calculated. It may be the output. For example, print list 1:3 means if you want to print the element from the first index value to up to 3 minus 1 second index value. So we can get the value 54 and 64 are the output in the list. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the variables and how to declare the variables, expression and statements in Python. Variable is an identifier which holds the value. In programming, value is assigned to the variable. Variable is nothing but a reserved memory location to store values. Variable can be used to define a name of an identifier. An identifier name used to identify the variable, function, class, module or other object. If you want to create a variable, variable name equal to in the right hand side the expression or the value of the variable we have to assign. For example, a equal to 5. Here a is the integer variable. We assign the value integer 5 to variable name a. If you want to print the variable a, we can use the print statement in Python to print the value of the variable. Rules for naming the variables. Variables name can be uppercase letter or lowercase letters. It can be the combination of uppercase letter, lowercase letters, underscores and digits. Special characters are not allowed within the identifiers. A variable not begin with the numbers or digits. Variable names can be any length. Python keyword not used as identifier. That is, variable name cannot be any one of the keywords or special characters. Variable names are case sensitive because Python is also a case sensitive language. No blank spaces are allowed between the variable names. Next one, local and global variable. A local variable which is declared inside the function is called local variable. Global variable which is declared outside the function is called global variable. Global variable we can access anytime and anywhere. Local variable we can access inside the function only. Expression. In Python, most of the line of statements are written in the form of expressions. Expressions are made up of operators and operands. Expressions are evaluated according to operators. An expression is defined as the combination of values, variables, and operators. An expressional base evaluates to value. A value by itself considered an expression, but a standalone operator is not an expression. Expression is the combination of variables and constants or interconnected with the operator. For example, variable equal to expression. That is the syntax for expression. Example, D equal to A plus B into C. Here, A, B, C are the operands value. Plus and star is the addition and multiplication operator. Types of expression. Based on the position of operators, expressions are classified into three types: infix expression, prefix expression, postfix expressions. In infix expression, the operator is placed between the operands. Prefix expression, the operator is placed before the operands. In postfix expressions, the operator is placed after the operands. Statement. It is an instruction which is executed by the Python. Print statement, assign statement. Here is the example, x equal to 2. Here we assign the value 2 to the variable x. Equal is the assigning symbol to assign the value 2 to the variable x. Here, if you want to print the variable value x, we have used the print statement. Print statement used to print the value. Here we print the value x. The value is assigned to the x variable is 2. So the output is 2. If you want to give a multi-line statement in a single line, by using the semicolon, we can use the multi-line statement in a single line. For example, c equal to 5, d equal to 6 and sum equal to c plus d. If you want to print the sum value, we can use the print statement. Print sum. We can get the sum of value 5 plus 6 equal to 11 is the output. Next one is commands. In Python, we used command lines. Sign is used to write the command line in between the program. It cannot be executed. Two types of commands line, single line command and multi-line command. Single line command starting with the as symbol. For example, as this is a sample example. This is the first single line command. We cannot execute this command lines, but it will be print as it is in the program. For multi-line command, we can use the as symbols, or otherwise we can go for triple quotation. Starting with the triple quotation and ending with the triple quotation, we can use the multi-line command in Python. You want to print multi-line in between the program, you can use the triple quotation or as symbols. To break out the multi-line into a single line, you can print the commands in the program in between the program.